Members of the 6 chapters of the Cameroon Association of English-Speaking Journalists, Camasej, have re-elected Viban Jude as the national president of the association. Meeting at Ayaba Hotel in Bamenda on Saturday, December 16, 2023, for the Elective General Assembly of the Association, 79 members voted in favor of the incumbent president as against 54 for his challenger, Cham Victor. In his acceptance speech, Viban Jude promised to reunite the association and make it stronger.
Started giving Camasej a lot of content to the name Camasej, and we'll just continue from there. What we'll do a lot more is to listen. What we'll do a lot more is to reach out to people. What we'll do a lot more is to take ideas from the people who are the members, and we'll try to see how we can implement them. But we cannot do it alone. We have to do it with all of Camasej members, and we're asking everybody to be a committed member. A committed member means that you share ideas, you bring forth ideas, and you support the association so that together we can be able to do great things at the level of Camasej.
Viban Jude and his executive will head the association for the next 4 years with so much expectations from the members whose wish is to benefit as members of Camasej.